On January 29, 2021, police were called after reports of Angela yelling, cursing, and causing a disturbance outside the Walmart entrance after closing hours. When questioned, she repeatedly responded aggressively, saying that the police were attacking her and that she was afraid of being shot.
Okay, what is it? You want to arrest me for talking to someone?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, why are you so...
Yeah, because I'm scared of you motherfuckers.
Why are you so aggressive right
Because
now?
you're just coming on me. Let me call someone, because I'm scared of you lot shooting me.
Okay. Why would you be scared?
Because I'm scared of you motherfuckers. You kill people. Hello?
You okay? Are you sure you're okay? What are you screaming at people up there for?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about you screaming at people over by the entrance.
How did you get that info?
From the lady that I just talked to over there.
There's a psycho over there.
She's a psycho?
It's a mental case.
How do you know? Do you know her?
Oh, well, how do you know that?
Do you know her?
You know what? Talk to me. What do you want from me? Let me call someone before you lot attack me and kill me.
Okay, well, first I need to know why you're causing a disturbance here.
What disturbance?
She wouldn't let me out of the doorway first.
Yeah.
And she's like, I guess was she trying to get in?
A Walmart manager confirmed Angela was banging on the door, causing a disturbance, and asked police to trespass, banning her from returning to Walmart property indefinitely.
Come up here and ask you a question, and you're yelling and you're see right here. You're yelling and screaming. You live around here? Hello? Do you live around here?
Am I under arrest or what?
Are you under arrest?
Oh, yeah.
For yelling and screaming? No.
Oh, okay, so what? Hiya. There are coppers around me attacking me. Yeah, I'm in the parking lot of Walmart. Yeah. You're telling me they want to arrest me, and I'm scared of them and think they want to kill me.
You know everything we do. You know everything we do is recorded, right? All right. Oh, is that why you're gonna leave now?
All right. They're all like 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me record this.
Where are you from?
They are coming after me. They're like 4 coppers. I'm like 115 pounds. 1, 2.
How'd you get here?
Can you come over now, please? Let me video this, alright? Yes, I'm at the Walmart. Cheers.
You got someone to come pick you up?
Are you people arresting me or what?
Do you have someone to come pick you up?
Are you arresting me or what?
I already told you no. So you don't have to ask the same question over and over again.
Why are you not talking to me?
Because you're creating a disturbance.
What bloody disturbance are you talking about?
Up at the front of the store.
What in front of what store?
The store
in front of that
the store that we're in front of right now.
Okay.
Talk to me.
What is the issue? What have I done?
You're causing a disturbance in front of the store. That's why we're here.
Disturbance in front of what store? I'm standing here. I'm standing here.
The Walmart manager wants
for?
you trespass from this property indefinitely.
Trespass?
Yeah, it means you're not allowed to come back here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What are you lot attacking me for?
This is attacking.
Yeah.
This is attacking?
Like 5 of you on my bloody case. I'm 114 pounds.
Okay.
I'm a small individual. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars, and all of you attacking me for.
Have you been drinking at all tonight?
Why?
All right. Well, guess what? You need to leave now. Okay. You need to leave this parking lot.
What are you lot attacking me for? I've not had a drink at all.
Ma'am, you need to leave this parking lot now.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
You need to leave this parking lot, Walmart's property, right now.
Okay.
And if you don't, you will be arrested.
Okay, arrest me, because if I have to walk over there...
Go ahead. You are free to leave right now.
I have to videotape and video you lot.
You are free to leave right this second.
Or killers. 1. Excuse me, you lot. 2.
Refusing to leave?
3, 4.
You're refusing
Okay.
to leave?
You're under arrest.
I'm going.
You're under arrest.
I'm leaving.
I
been?
told you so many times, man.
How many times?
More than
How many
once.
times do you need to hear it?
I have my phone so I can
No,
call
you cannot.
someone.
Let go of the keys now.
There you go, the keys. It will go with you, okay? Just cooperate.
You just tore up my keys and oh my...
Stop moving.
My phone!
Don't
Oh.
move. I got your phone. It's okay.
What am I being arrested for?
Trespassing.
The warning. We told you.
I told you you were free to leave, and I told you you needed to leave. They wanted you trespassed, and you continue standing here. Okay.
We asked you to leave, and you refused.
I called.
Once I get the
called
cuffs,
the-
we'll have you pat her down.
So that's why you're being arrested, okay?
Are you kidding me?
We
Nope.
are not.
Okay, where's my phone so I can have, so I have all the,
Your phone.
Don't worry, we have all the video as well.
why you're on my phone?
Oh, stop
Why
it.
you're on my phone?
Stop it.
You're gonna be on my phone.
I'm shutting your phone off.
You are on my phone doing deleting my thing.
Just shut it off. That's all I did.
Oh my God.
No one deleted it.
This is all my, this is
All
horrible.
right, bring it to the car. Stop. Stop. Walk.
Stop resisting, man. Walk. Stop resisting. Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
Don't hit your head.
This is gonna be a 20.
What do I took her to get the hobble?
Now. Stop trying to hit your head. Stop, man. Stop screaming.
Stop. 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 Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Relax. 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 Everything's okay, man. Okay. Okay, relax. Relax. All right, let's pick her up.
Come on.
Get up. Sit. Stop.
Stop.
Take a breath, okay?
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop. Stop moving. Did we find her ID yet?
Not yet.
Alright. I don't see an ID right now.
During the
What's your
arrest,
name?
the woman resisted violently, screaming and accusing the officers of killing her and breaking her legs. After being restrained, she was given a sedative to calm her down.
Why is it on my body? You
Stop.
Calm down. Calm down.
Oh my God!
Relax.
Relax.
He's breaking my leg!
Breaking your leg, man.
You are
I'm not breaking your leg.
Relax. Let me go, my solicitor! You're killing me!
No, we're not.
Yes!
We're not.
You are! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Please! I can't breathe! Jesus Christ! Look at your weight! You're heavy!
Stop.
Oh my God!
Stop.
Look at your weight!
Stop.
You are heavy!
Stop.
You are!
We're not hurting you.
Oh my God!
We're not
Get off me!
Stop.
Can I talk to your supervisor?
We're not hurting
Get off me! You are fit on my neck!
Stop.
Get off me! Jesus Christ! I'm 150 pounds! Get off me! You are fit on my neck! For God's sake! Get off me! He's a murderer! You've been in my leg and my side for the longest time! Look how many people on me!
Okay, supervisor's here, okay?
What is that for? How can you just inject me? Excuse me? Hello? Why was I injected?
It's to calm you down.
Calm me down for what?
Because you slammed your head into the ground.
Because you people came and
Take a breath.
get off me, you fucking psycho! Go find a criminal! You fucking old fat cow!
Try to relax, okay?
What?
Try to relax.
Excuse me, hello. Let me talk to a surgeon. What in the fuck is wrong with you?
Stop.
Why?
Stop.
Can I talk?
Just relax. You can talk, but talk. Stop flailing around.
Can you stop?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Police, man.
I'm going to try to sit her back up.
We can try.
Okay, how are we doing?
Listen.
Ready?
I think there's something else on.
Oh, it's definitely something. That's not alcohol. Okay.
Let me just make sure this one's...
The suspect, later identified as Angela, was taken to the hospital for treatment. Her blood alcohol level was 0.185. Angela was charged with resisting obstructing without violence and trespassing after warning.
I told you sandals and everything else in the back.
Yeah.